Sage reporting for Kalkine Media. Thank you for joining us, and please stay watching for the Australian stock market close report. Why did Australian stocks close marginally in the red on Tuesday? Australian markets are down by a whisker after the Reserve Bank monetary policy decision. The bank has maintained current interest rates and continue to target a 3-year government bond yield at 10 BPS. In his statement, Governor Philip Lowe acknowledged the recovery in trade and commodity prices along with vaccinations. He said the Australian economic recovery has been better than expected with rising employment and strong consumer spending. The Reserve Bank had doubled its purchase of government bonds after yield rose significantly over the last week. The prospects of global economic recovery have strengthened, while the US stimulus package is also close. Australian Bureau of Statistics released many numbers today, including the balance of payments, dwelling and government finances. Dwelling approvals fell significantly in January after a strong momentum of record approvals. Meanwhile, government finance showed that taxation revenue jumped 16% in the December quarter. The state and local government experienced a contraction in taxation revenue, primarily due to tax incentive schemes. Balance of payments revealed that the demand in Australia was strong during the December quarter. On a seasonally adjusted basis, Australia's current account surplus increased by $3.8 billion to $14.5 billion. Exports of goods and services penned an increase of 8%, or nearly $8 billion in the December quarter, while imports rose 4% to $3.5 billion. ABS officials said the current account surplus was driven by strong exports of cereal, grain and metal ores. After a mixed trading session, only financials and consumer staples sector indices were positive in the ASX 200 index. Meanwhile, the energy sector crashed the most in the benchmark index, followed by materials, utilities, information technology, industrials, AREIT, consumer discretionary as well. Stocks leading the ASX 200 index include the A2 Milk Company, Sims Limited, Eagers Automotive, Nine Entertainment and BlueScope Steel. Most losses were seen in Gold Road Resources, Omni Bridgeway, West Gold Resources and CIMIC Group, as well as Zipco. Thanks for watching. Sage reporting here for Kalkine Media.